everybody, it's iDude here. God damn me, motherfuckers. And I am stuck in the rain and surrounded by, unfortunately, a group of cars who have been sitting at a train for God knows how long, but I just got to the group of fucking people as the train was pulling away, so I'm sure they're in a rush, disgruntled, feel like the world owes them everything, but I'm fucking on a bike in the rain. Calm down. Let me just get by you. Being behind you sucks because the damn tire spray. The tire spray is worse than the rain right now. It's crazy. Oh man, just let me get through this. One car, right lane's better. Let me get in front so I don't deal with the road spray. Oh wow, I wonder if you guys can actually make out that sky. That looks amazing. Lane is better. I mean, none of these lanes are smooth, but that one is the smoothest. You know, it's making the best of a bad situation when you're going over those tracks. One car in this lane. And you're a dart. I'm coming back from my friend Josh's house. We did pretty much everything you could think of to his bike. Coolant flush, oil change, did the spark plugs, did the filters. Yeah, took absolutely everything apart and just got it put back together as it started raining. So I did not get a chance to get back on the road in a reasonable time frame. Nothing is making these, nothing is giving these pegs grip right now, though. Come on. Thank you. Do it again. Come on. Ooh, I may actually have to stop for this one. Nope. Awesome. So yeah, today's been eventful. A lot of working on Josh's bike, and that's the furthest I've ever tore down a bike. You know, pulled the tank off, all the air box, everything. I mean, really, the only thing we didn't take off was the nose. We took all the fairings off. You had to take them off to get under the air cover, or the ram air intakes, because they actually block the air box. Well, once the air box is out, the ram air covers are blocking the spark plugs 1 and 4. So we had to take the side fairings off and the upper ram covers, and wow, way bigger job than I expected. I came over there like 3 or 4, 3 o'clock, and I don't know, it's not 7:30, that clock's wrong. It's easily 9, 10 o'clock, I don't know. But, let's see, we got 2. Ground wheelie, woo! miler service. drive side. What the fuck? I made the decision and then went against it. Silly. I just know I gotta stop and get, whoa, big bump. Stop and get some packs of wraps at the party store or gas station here. Damn it, now I'm stuck here. Ah, I'm so wet. But it was raining much harder, and I kind of got lucky. I waited the rain out. The bike still got wet, unfortunately, but by the time I got on the road, I didn't see a whole lot of rain. I got a little bit. Just enough to make my inside of my thighs and top of me soaking wet. But, you know, the bike seems to have air dried off fairly well. And the ground even looks dry. I mean, I guess to some extent it must be. I did that wheelie and it gripped fine, so. Nikki Six from Motley Crue just said that if he was in high school right now, he doesn't think he would be smart enough to be in high school. That's funny. Direct quote, live time from the radio. Hello? Hey, I'm at Salem's right now. Yeah, sure, that sounds great.
Yeah, I used to ride my Harley up there like that, and I had a shirt that said, if you don't like the ride, stay on the sidewalk. Really?
Yeah.
I said, if you don't like the way I drive, stay up the sidewalk, man.
Yeah. Hold on, Amanda.
Take care, bro.
Yeah, you take care. Sorry. What were you saying? Did the wheelie look any cooler? And did it just all look the same? That's what I figured. You just see sky and shoulders. The ground out here is kind of dry. It's crazy. Did it rain hard over here? Because I'm fucking soaked. And then I got stuck at the fucking train, and then I did some filtering, and I didn't even get, there was a cop, and I didn't even get in trouble.